That P1 is just, Now that's a tollmate, dog. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Damn, man, it looks so empty in here, bruh. Drift car is gonzo, man. That's not going anywhere. This one's not going anywhere for sure. The G35 is not gonna go anywhere. So those are 3 cars that you guys can know for sure are never gonna get sold. M340, who knows? But as of right now, like, I have no interest in any other cars. I just feel like for 40, 50K, you cannot buy a better daily. Just in my opinion. When it comes to power, reliability, technology, interior, I just feel like it can't beat it. But on that note, I hope you guys are all doing well, man. I'm doing great, can't complain. Another day, another blessing. We did sell the Drift Z last night, so she is 100% gone. New owner seems pretty stoked about it. He has a stock WRX with like wheels and like a few bolt-ons, and he was like, bruh, this shit is way faster than my car. I'm like, hey man, them NAHRs we put it in work, bruh, don't sleep on it. He seems happy about it, cool dude. Shout out to you, bro, for making things easy and not being a headache. But yeah, we are gonna be taking the S15 out today. We have 2 meets. They're both by the beach, thank God. Yesterday I did install that DEI stick-on trans tunnel stuff. Today is gonna be the day where we're gonna be able to test it out. I'll be able to know like right away after like 15-20 minutes. If my leg is burning hot, that shit did absolutely nothing. I don't know, but that bitch looks good, bro. I love looking at this car. Good stuff. Damn, what's on the feet? Okay. So far, it doesn't seem as hot as it normally is after about 5-10 minutes. So I don't know. It's really just like this area right here, bro. It's just like fucking blazing. I heard some turbos. Finding Nicky Poo. You need the gap, sir? Let me get those TEs, sir. Damn, finally did a grill. No more chrome boys? Needed that for sure. Fuck are y'all going?
1 eternity later.
Still here, guys. Just letting you know. Okay, bye.
20 minutes later.
What's up, guys? Checking in. Letting you know I'm still here. Okay, bye. Damn. Q50 down. Guys, we finally made it a little bit closer, and guaranteed for sure, guys, that shit worked. At least I would say it reduced it by like probably 60%. Fuck! We got some more gang over here. I know, right? Got the lime rock. I think this one's still supercharged. Got G80, F80, all over D. Carbon composite. Alright guys, we are finally rolling out to the meet. Block's car over here just ran the Pikes Peak. Very nice. Hey, you don't look like Vin. So we were just like chilling, and I just looked at the corner of my eye, and I was like, "What the fuck, man?" Yeah, I think I need to sell some kitchen shit. Cause damn.
This is fucking crazy.
Yeesh. That's that big money, bro. It's crazy, bro. Bro, one of these headlights probably costs more than my whole fucking fleet of cars.
Like if you get off
fucking sick.
Adams Street, all the way down in the like Woodcrest area.
It's pretty clean. Damn, bro, this GT3 looks so sick on the Advance. And this E30 though, wet. Yeah, I'm about the soup out. AMG GTR. Man, he did the khaki green. I ain't gonna lie, I miss this color. You guys remember when I did the Nismo? That shit was clean, bro, on the Meisters. Apparently this is paint. OEM.
And a good taste, good taste.
He said I inspired him to put Advance on the M3. Appreciate it, dog. No cap. I think these are my old wheels. I ain't even gonna lie. It's almost time to get a new battery. Paint is busting. Man, this shit is a V8. It's like an LS3. I was just like, why does this shit sound like a V8? RWB boys. That into dog? Manu, I see you. That shit looks good. Look at these Meisters though. God damn. That bitch got a dish. That shit looks so hard. Hey, relax, sir. Crazy. My new exhaust. Shit's hard. What's up, sir? Okay, the TSX?
That color's nice, though.
Shit fitted. Bro, that's gotta be the lowest fucking 720 I've seen. That shit looks wet. That shit looks hard. Damn, that fucking told me, dog! Fucking Josh. Damn. All the fun's over.
Thank you.
My man pulled out the Bugatti. Shit clean. Damn. My boy trying to pop wheelies.
Dude, I don't know.
Send it. And you got the Tomei, dog? Now that's a Tomei, dog. Shit chopping over there. Shit sound like a LS3. This guy needs to relax. Like everything he has is just clean. Look at this CMST. Look at this custom fucking BBSs.
You don't hear me revving it?
Where's your plaid steering wheel, sir?
I'm revving it right now.
Careful, you're gonna get state.
That shit made out of surfboard?
Really? It's one of those.
This is the quietest, hardest car here. Shit hella nice. Fresh kick spec for sure. Nardo with Meisters? That P1 is just, fucking dream, bro.
You guys wanna go back over there?
Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. Another successful day / drive with the S15. This thing's been phenomenal, man. Like literally 0 issues. Making a solid 450 right now. I feel like it doesn't need more, but maybe in like a month or two, when it starts to cool down again, maybe I'll turn it up a little bit, like a little bit over 5. But she's great right now, man. The car is a ton of fun. As far as the Z, if you guys want to update on this, I actually need to rewire my switch panel. For some odd reason, I don't know why, like it keeps melting the fuses. So that needs to get rewired for sure, because I don't want this car catching on fire or nothing like that. So yeah, that needs to get rewired. I'm waiting on my guy to give me an okay when he's available so I can bring the car and we can put on the new turbo kit. We have the manifold right here, turbo's over there somewhere, new downpipe. Real excited to put that on the car. So hopefully soon, within the next few weeks, maybe a month, we can get the new turbo on this thing and see what it does. It's so empty in here without the drift car, man. It's just crazy. It just feels like empty as shit. Excuse the mess, guys. I got these shelves I need to put up so I can kind of like clean some of this stuff up. I kind of want to put all that stuff that's in the corner like back there, so it's a little bit more hidden. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.